Have you ever noticed how your mind feels lighter after you clean a room or throw away things you no longer use? That calm isn't imaginary. Your brain is reacting to less stimulation. Minimalism isn't about white walls or owning nothing. Psychologically, it's about reducing the invisible pressure your environment puts on your mind. Every object you keep demands a small piece of your attention, memory, or emotion. When there are too many things around you, your brain never fully rests. The human brain is wired to notice details. Thousands of years ago, this helped us survive. Today, that same wiring means clutter keeps your mind in a low-level state of alert. Even when you think you're relaxed, your brain is still processing shapes, colors, and unfinished tasks around you. Minimalism works because it removes that constant background noise, allowing your nervous system to calm down. One of the biggest psychological benefits of minimalism is the reduction of decision fatigue. Every choice you make, what to wear, what to use, what to organize, slowly drains mental energy. When options are endless, the brain becomes tired faster. This is why people feel exhausted before the day even starts. Minimalism simplifies choices, preserving mental energy for creativity, focus, and emotional control. Clutter also increases cognitive load, which is the amount of information your brain handles at once. A crowded space forces your mind to track more visual input, even if you're not consciously aware of it. This leads to irritability, stress, and difficulty concentrating. In contrast, minimal environments allow thoughts to flow more smoothly. The brain feels safe, organized, and less overwhelmed. Minimalism also challenges emotional attachment. Many objects represent past identities, future hopes, or emotional comfort. Letting go can feel like losing a part of yourself. But psychologically, this process teaches detachment without emptiness. You begin to separate who you are from what you own. This creates emotional flexibility and resilience, making change less threatening and growth more natural. Another hidden effect of minimalism is the sense of control it restores. When your environment is chaotic, your brain interprets it as a lack of control. This increases stress and emotional reactivity. Minimal spaces send the opposite signal. They create order and predictability, which helps regulate emotions and reduce anxiety. Your surroundings stop working against you and start supporting your mental state. Minimalism also resets the brain's reward system. Modern life constantly overstimulates dopamine through notifications, shopping, scrolling, and visual clutter. Over time, this makes the brain restless and dissatisfied. Minimalism lowers stimulation, allowing dopamine levels to stabilize. Small pleasures feel meaningful again. Silence becomes comfortable. Focus lasts longer. Contentment grows without effort. Over time, minimalism shifts the brain away from external validation and toward internal satisfaction. Happiness becomes less about accumulation and more about intention. Comparison fades, mental noise quiets. Life feels slower but clearer. Minimalism isn't about having less for the sake of it. It's about creating space for clarity, peace, and meaning. Sometimes the most powerful psychological change happens not when you add something to your life, but when you finally let something go.